So here's why long-term investing is better for beginners. Now, I know every beginner wants to be a day trading millionaire by next Tuesday. But what if I told you the most reliable path to wealth is actually pretty boring? Understanding the power of long-term investing is what separates professional traders from just here and buy gamblers. They're here today and go tomorrow gamblers. So even if your strategy is short-term, wealth is built on long-term principles. When you invest long term, your money doesn't just grow, the growth itself starts to grow. It's a snowball effect. In year one, you earn a return on your money. In year 10, you earn a return on your original money. And on 9 years of accumulated growth, this is the most powerful force in finance. And that's why it's called the snowball effect. The market is chaotic day to day, but over any 10 to 20-year period in history, the market has always gone up long term. Long term investors don't care about today's drop. They're playing a different game. They use short term fear as a buying opportunity. So whenever you see red in the market, stocks going down, you're pretty much just knowing that this is hey, sign me up. This stock is on sale. A great stock, a great company. Even though it may be having some turbulence right now, the stock may be down, the market may be down. This is a perfect buying opportunity because it's just a matter of time before that stock just increases up to where it was and also go past it as well. So stocks just continue to increase over time. Now, it's really a game you can win. 90% of all active day traders fail, but the success rate for people who consistently buy and hold broad index funds for 20 plus years is nearly 100%. One is high stress, low probability gamble. The other is a high, calm, high probability strategy. Can you make great money in day trading? A lot of people do. Yes. But does it take time? Yes, it does. Does it take practice? Yes, it does. Does it take having the right mindset? Yes. Does it require you not to be greedy? Yes. And does it require you to be disciplined? Yes. But do 90% of people that you know have those traits? I would say 90% of the people I know, are they disciplined? Or do they have a strategy going to stick to it? Can they not be greedy when they see themselves up $500 or $1,000 where they know just to take that, they will be like, no, I want to make another $10. All that is key. And that takes time, patience, and learning to develop. But the main thing is don't chase the quick flip. Build the unbreakable financial fortress. Let time and compounding do the heavy lifting for you. Let the snowball effect take place.